Here are the things that you will likely see when the universe is sending you a major breakthrough, a breakthrough in love or money, success, happiness, or even health. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, miracle mentor and alchemy life coach. And today, oh, yes, we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we're always flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. High flyers. We are thrilled. We are in anticipation. We are excited that Master Manifesting 2021.com is coming on December 21st, the winter solstice. Now, the last year, 2020, this has been a preparation year. And those who know the secret, those who know how to achieve the vibration of receiving, are likely to have the best year or one of the best years of their entire life. I want you to be one of those people. Now, we're limited in space and we're filling up. I didn't think we'd fill up this fast, but we are filling up. So go to mastermanifesting2021.com. It's time for increase. It's time for your breakthrough. So, high flyers, before I share with you some of the things that you're likely to see when you are in alignment for a major, major breakthrough in your life, and it doesn't make any difference what area. It could be love, it could be your relationship, it could be money, it could be luck, it could be happiness, it could be health, your career, whatever. Any area of your life, wherever you have placed an intention. So we're going to share the signs or what to look for when a breakthrough is coming. But first, I want to share a few ideas on how to get that breakthrough to come into your life. Number one, every day, find your own way to connect to source energy. It's not about worship, though it may be worship. It's about connection. It's about understanding every fiber of your being is created and filled with source energy, this invisible energy that pulsates the entire universe or universes. I can't describe it. I won't even try. You know, some people call it source. Some people call it divine energy. Some people call it the holy guardian angel. Some people call it God, spirit. But whatever you refer to this invisible power as, connecting with it allows you to work in harmony with it. And that ensures a major breakthrough in your life. The next thing is to, as Neville Goddard says, I love this. This is absolutely true. Don't pray to God, pray as God. Allow that spirit, that flow of energy, that God force energy to permeate every area of your life. Raise your vibration to your highest potential. And by connecting to source and then praying as source. This is one of the things about Master Manifesting 2021 coming up, is that you will learn, one of the things that happens is you will learn to speak the word, to literally say or speak your intention and manifest it, and not have, 6 months of resistance or a year of resistance or 5 years of resistance, or like me, 20 years or longer of resistance, but you speak the word and there it is. And you can do that. That's the power within you. Live in love is the next thing. So we pray as God, we live in love. It says in the scriptures that God is love. Live in God. Live in love. Live in harmony. Universal unconditional love. I may not even like what you do, but I love who you are. I love the spirit inside you. I love the soul that you are. And so developing this universal love mentality opens you up to a vibration of receiving. It's absolutely incredible. But all of a sudden, you just go, wow, I'm receiving from everywhere, from every direction, in every area of my life, because I'm now operating at the vibration of love and trust in the universe. I know some of you have a hard time trusting, but trust in God, trust in spirit, trust in whatever you believe this invisible source to be. And you don't have to identify it, because I haven't. It's beyond anything that I can wrap my mind around. My human brain is very powerful, but it's very finite. So I don't even try to put my mind around it. I accept it for what it is. It is creative, it is expansive, and it is loving. I believe, high flyers, we live in a loving universe. Now, some people say, no, look at the universe. All kinds of destruction and bad things are happening. But I also believe that that's perception, that some of these things that happen in the universe are merely transitions, such as 2020. 2020 is a year that is preparing some people to receive more than they've ever received in their life in 2021, because they're going to be at the vibration of receiving. Other people are still going to be talking about what a bad year it is, but you can change all that. You can change all that right now by accepting 2020 for what it was, by embracing it, and by preparing yourself to move on to a greater year with greater reward, with greater breakthrough opportunities and increase than ever before. So, okay, here's some of the signs or things to look forward to. And when you notice these things about yourself or the world around you, it's a real strong sign that a breakthrough is coming into your life. Major. So it becomes easy to detach from outcome. When we get so hung up on outcome that it's like wringing a wet towel. We're just wringing it as tight as we can, but we're not getting anything. Because the tighter we wring that energy, the more we cut it off from flowing in the direction of our intention. Number 2, you're open to perfect timing, the seasons of abundance. I call it the seasons of abundance because every season of the year brings a different type of energy. And so abundance flows a little differently. Have you ever noticed, if you're in business people notice this all the time. They go, well, I'm not making money the way I used to. I'm making more of it, but I'm making it differently. It's because they're in a different season of their life. Their business is in a different season. Open yourself to perfect timing, not your timing, not someone else's timing, not your best friend's timing, perfect timing. You see, when you become open to perfect timing, you say, I'm not looking for my time, I'm looking for the perfect time. You see, when you're open to perfect timing, that's a huge sign that a massive breakthrough is flowing into your life. I mean, you need to sit down because it's coming and it's going to be big. Well, sign number 3 or thing to look for is you've recently gone through some pain, through a dark night of the soul. You may have been depressed. You may have been sad. You may have felt hopeless. You may have felt lonely. You may have felt desperate. But at some point, you felt emotionally shrouded in darkness, a dark night of the soul. But in that dark night, the winter solstice is an example of the dark night. There is a light that is ready to, you see, we go from 1 minute, it's perfectly dark. And the next minute, there's a new light. It's not the same light. Listen to me, high flyers. It's not the same light. It's a new light. It's the light of increase. You see, every moment from that new spark of light, from the first sunrise, every moment thereon is increase in your life. Open yourself up to it. Be at the vibration of receiving. The fourth sign is your words almost instantly manifest. You know, it used to be that you would say, I want this, or this is going to happen, or I'm going to manifest this. And then you'd work and work and work, and there was resistance and resistance. Then you'd work and work and work. It's not like that anymore. When you speak the word, almost instantly, the puzzle pieces begin to fall into place. Everything begins to happen. The winds shift direction. But let me tell you something, massive breakthrough is coming into your life. You're living in love. You're living in harmony. You're living in vibrational alignment. And so the intentions that you desire, that are a part of your journey, that are a part of who you are, they are now sprouting, blossoming, harvesting. Hey, listen, be sure and check out mastermanifesting2021.com. This is that special event where I believe if you're hearing this message, it's for a reason. And if you choose to attend, if you feel inspired action to attend this event, you can expect major breakthrough in your life in 2021. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.